Alright. I'll say one thing I'm happy for. I found a little base. I managed to get one thing done. The whole bottom floor. I got a little floor. Now I just need to keep getting more stuff. Terrified if these cannibals are gonna come out of the random blue, or they're just gonna do their own thing. You mind getting me some wood? Why are you saying no? Just clear out. I learned a little bit more about him. Calvin. Gavin. Kalakako. Kalakoko. Come on. Kalakoko. What? What the fuck's wrong with you? I want a little small base, and then in the future I'm gonna build a bigger base. I don't want no canos to walk around and all of a sudden find me. Someone said canos and now I start saying that. I don't know how many there are. That's my scarce only problem. How many? Just somewhat what I can do. Hold X. What's this? Oh, I can do manual builds? I don't know that. So, what, is this like the same thing I gotta build and all that stuff? Oh, bitch. Yeah. Scarecrow? What's a scarecrow? What does this do? I hate noises so fucking much. Just build. Wait, finish structure. Oh shit! You could just do that? Yeah, go finish it. And he can't do it because he doesn't have duct tape. There goes my happiness and dreams. You like to destroy my shit in dreams. You always destroy my dreams. Gotta build fast. Gotta build fast. Gotta build faster, 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 faster. Gotta be like Bob the Builder, fast as fuck. I need to build very quickly. I don't know how to sing songs, so shut up. I'm terrified if someone's gonna pop their head out and just go like, I like a boom. You're very screwed. Just whip me today. I am paranoid, man. What the heck? I don't like being paranoid in a game. And this is not even like a scary horror game. It's just mostly more like a survival. I mean, it's got a few scares in it, but not like that. Not like phasmophobia. Noises everywhere. Dang. Credits to the creator. Credits. Wait a minute. Oh. Oh shit, you scared me. Who are you? Well, you look passive just by the looks of it, because you're not... Anyway, hey. I'm very concerned with her. Please don't tell me she's gonna do something. I don't like surprises like that. Come on, man. Seriously. Cut the fucking log. Can you please, like, update the game to make it better with cutting stuff? I highly doubt anyone's gonna listen to this. Barely, but, you know, it's this is a new video. Not a lot of people will listen to people like this. It's whatever. I'll just do it to have fun and a good time. Give me the log, because I hate the fact that every single time when I destroy something... Oh, every time I log and destroy something, it always does that. Stop it, you're scaring me. You're giving me shiver me timbers. Shiver me timber vibes, man. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I feel like it. Seems like it's going okay. I don't know if I'm doing this right or doing it wrong or something, but I'm gonna just keep going because I don't care. The looks of it, seems like it's okay. Set up a little log storage. I need that in the future. Hello, little turtle. Now give me my shell. Give me the shell. I know you can give me that shell. What? Where's the shell? Is it by chance? Where's the shell? The fuck? Where's the shell? Do they not do that? Where's the shell? Please do shell. Or it could be a smaller turtle. I don't know. This turtle's too small anyway. Alright, whatever. It's no biggie. No biggie at all. Just a little annoyed. Oops. That gave me a heart attack. I need to sleep anyway. Some thick logs. Please don't tell me that's what it is. Yo, hit her, you son of a bitch! I know you're alive. Just like in the forest, let me burn these bodies. By the looks of it, I don't think Kevin will be able to fucking process like how to like do that. Not taking anything away. Sticks. I'm gonna burn your ass. Literally. I decided to actually stick a leaf in his butt. I decided to stick a leaf in his butt. Oh, I love its slow burning flesh off. It's so weird. That's a cool detail. Then it turns into a skeleton. That's tough. Oh, I didn't even know it was full. Okay. Hey, what the fuck? Wait. You're just eating a ramen without water? What the? That is weird. Oh, that is weird. That's so weird. Oh, guys. Who does that? Name one person in real life who would do that, and I don't want to hear all of a sudden in the comments, which in the future probably highly doubt, saying I do, or I do, because we all know you don't. You're probably just saying that to fuck with me.
Yeah.
I do. I do my ass. I like the way it's done some fresh meat, boys. Mine's. I need to go to the dryer. Where is it? Drying rack. Here we go. Alright, I need you to do me a favor and build the finished structures. No! No! I'm running. Oh my god, you guys are pieces of fucking shit. How are you gonna just run over someone's shit? Oh, there goes your arm. Good night. Seriously, how much health do you fucking have? I don't trust her to come back up. Oh, what did I just grab? I don't know what I grabbed, but okay. Great, now they know that I live here. They're gonna get cozy and crap. I love it. Gotta fucking love it. Now, what did I grab? I grabbed something. Skin pouch. The design looks tough. Let's go. Oh, that's what I need. Now, time to see what this does. talk about it. Scarecrow. Gonna do something, but okay. Drop. 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 Grab. Grab. Place. Place. Drying rack is still. Oh wait, that's almost done? Now I got a complete wall. Nice. Building this game is a little weird. I mean, it's not bad. It's pretty good, but at the same time, this takes time, man. Way too much time. But, what do I know? It's a good survival game, too. I mean, there's gotta be something out there I could do. I can build a bone storage so I can start getting a bone armor. I should probably start hunting too. Eat so I can gain some health. Not much, but I'll take it. You be careful, bro. Bro. Time to go hunt. Oh, never mind. Hold up, give me a minute. Gave me a fucking heart attack, bird. Literally, my heart just dropped from fucking 0 to 0. I don't know. I better start mastering EX. Master EX. I shall. Holy shit, that was actually by random. Flares can come in handy. What's this? That was another. I just decided to beat the crap out of it. Fall damage? Not that much? Okay. At least it's not like Elden Ring style. A little fall will get you murdered. I think that was Elden Ring. Unless I'm thinking of a different game. does this do? Alright, we're going in a cave, I guess. Not some spooky ass indeed. Spooky ass cave indeed. Hello, please don't hurt me. I am oh. 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 Cool. Nice stuff. What is this? Books. Oh, I'm stealing everything. I appreciate your donation to Houghton. I don't even remember what the corporation was called again. What is this? Flask? I would like that. What did I just do? I didn't grab the flask. Oh, mask? Why not? Oh, that's gonna take some time. Might as well look around. What's over here? So bright. What is this stuff? Watch. Buddy. Give me that purse and I'll definitely burn it. Well, that's obvious. Let's go check on my mask. Oh my god, I had a heart attack. You fucking thing. Oh, I thought that was a landmine again. Give me my damn mask. I don't know what it is for. Grappling hook. I think I have a few of those. Tech mesh. No. Sled? I wouldn't mind, but that's 1,000. This. Those printers. I guess tech. Now let me see that mask. Cool mask. Man, I can't see shit in this. I think that's all I need for now. I don't got anything else. Give my axe. I have to ask people a question. No pun intended. Well, technically a pun intended, but shut up. Ah! Shot my own self. Well, you know it's good if you shot your own self. Waterfalls, you know what that means. Never mind, I take it back. Is this better than my axe? I don't think so. Die! You gotta be shitting me. I don't think I'm prepped and ready to go in the caves, but... Wait. You know what? I got enough meds. Fuck it. Let's go in the cave. Hello? Don't shoot. I am very good person. Actually, what am I saying? They're fucking cannibals. I got a flashlight. This is scariest in all games. The noises. Oh, what the fuck are you guys? Hey, yo. I thought he would automatically. Okay, no, I had to trigger it. I guess this is a good time to test out the baton. Sticky. The shock stick. The shocker docker. That's alright. Dead? He's dead. Shock stick good. Police brutality! I'm about to fuck your ass up! Wish I could. I'll get armor. Creepy armor. Oh shit! Did I just get cross? Oh. Where's that blow go? Oh. Shut up! Police brutality! Sit the fuck down, you little white cracker! Yep, there was one here. In your ass! Down, down, flat. Boo boo. You better stay down. What even is with your spine? Like, how do you breathe in that? How is that even possible? Or logical? What is this? For your information, this is what we are looking for. This thing? Okay. Red lamp. What the fuck was that? Bro, you look like you give kids nightmares. You look like a nightmare. I'm guessing by the explosive it looks like I have to do something, but I'll save that for another time. Man, the bats come in? Really? Right when I get scared by the Mr. fucking... I don't even know what to call you. You're so ugly. You're so ugly, blind kids cry. You're so fat. You're so fat. I don't even know what to say.